The B-2 Spirit is more than just a bomber, it's a testament to America's technological prowess. With its unique design, it represents a quantum technology. The B-2 Spirit isn't just a new bomber.
Example of America's unwavering commitment to the technological superiority in the sky.
Hercules! Hercules!
Hercules and his gifts, Spider-Man's
So are we looking, what are we looking at? Just right here at Show Center?
Right here, Show Center. And there's the first bundles.
Nice.
Great drop. The second aircraft is approaching the same point, and we'll be adding additional bundles to that drop.
So with this, they could also be, you might have a large cannon, a military, a drop for the troops as well, right?
The C-130 has the ability to drop heavy equipment. You could drop vehicles through the back. Also, you can drop personnel. That's the Top Gun pose. Oh, they're gonna come close to us. Nice.